So in terms of surgery, okay, now surgery is a different ballpark. Typically, there's much more extensive post-graduate training in surgery. For example, in general surgery, you will typically, the residency length is 5 years, okay? Thoracic surgery, you'll do your general surgery and you'll have an additional 2 years after that. And it depends, and colorectal surgery, you do your general surgery and then you do another year of colorectal surgery. Now, OBGYN is also kind of part of surgery as well because you do a lot of C-sections. And so you'll do your OBGYN training, and then you'll do an additional year of just additional year of elective year of surgery. And then, of course, you have your neurological surgery, which you're going to have to do 5 years plus 1 year. So you do general surgery for 1 year, and then you're going to do 5 years of neurological surgery training. And then also orthopedics is a big one. This is one of the most competitive specialties that people really strive for. Typically, you're going to do a year of a broad-based general surgery, and then you're going to do 4 years of orthopedic surgery after that. And then, of course, pediatrics, you do general surgery plus 2 years of a full-time approved fellowship program, and so forth. So just want to give you an over idea on this.